Time to work on the Dodge again. We're having a little trouble with it not running real good. So hooked up the diagnostics to it. And let me show you what it showed up here. If you can read this, it says cylinder 1 misfire detected. And then of course multiple ones, cylinder 3 misfire detected. Which probably means it's the fuel injector. So that's one of the problems we had. The other thing we're going to do is we have a new coil for it. As bad as this thing was, we've changed everything else. We're going to go ahead and change the coil. It's a fairly easy fix for that, so we're going to change that. And then we're going to test the fuel injectors. We'll pull the connector off, measure the resistance, and see what those turn out to be. And they should all be the same. I'm expecting 1 and 3 to have
3 and 5.
Well, this thing just said 1 and 3.
Really? No, his says 3 and 5.
So some of it says 3 and 5, but you know, it's 1 and 3. So I'm expecting out of the 6, 2 of them to be bad. They should all be the same resistance. So we're going to start testing those. And
All on that side.
All of them run this side?
Yep.
Yeah.
This says 2, 4, and 6.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and pull them off, and we'll start testing them. So let me go grab the voltmeter, and you know, they're not going to be a high resistance. You know, they're I would imagine they're only going to be, you know, less than 20 ohms or so.
1.
So we want to test all of them, because there may be some other ones that are weak or something.
Ouch.
Yeah, I'm trying to unwrap this, hold the camera in one hand and work with the other hand. These little magnetic strips work really nice because they'll just fasten right on a piece of metal and let them hang wherever you need them to. It also has a little hook if I have something too, so I can just hang them wherever I need to. I don't know what you're trying to do.
Right there. You got both.
Yeah. Well, the magnet's not bad. There we go. All right, so there should be a little. You're gonna have
what? That's 1. This is your fuel injectors, 3 and 5.
Okay, so let's go ahead and pull that connector off. You can get down to it. There's on some of them, there's a little lever you have to pull up.
Yeah.
And other ones just, this what looks like it might be.
They look like they squeeze together. Or I might.
You know, squeeze together or just pull out.
Let me see so I can see it better. I can't.
You want to come on this side, be a little closer?
That side felt like it
Let's go ahead
came
and
up a little bit, but
switch here.
I don't know if that's going to put me any closer or not. Maybe you can see something a little better. I don't know.
We can get down here a little closer and see what they're doing.
I don't know. Maybe we better check, find out how they're supposed to come out.
You just squeeze them.
Squeeze them together?
Yeah. So I did on this one over here, on number 2. I can show you on this one over here. I just squeezed these together and pulled it off. You can see on the side, there's a little lip that sticks out, so you got to squeeze them together. Let me see if I can. Can't pull too much, but
No way.
Oh, could you get?
Gee, many Christmas.
Well,
Tougher than
you've got this. Can't see it too well. That's in the way, so your fingers can't really get
into
on the
five.
side of it too well.
Yeah, but 3 you can, but I can't get it out.
Well, let's
And I tried 5.
pull this one. This one's 1.
Oh, you got number 1.
Just
How
about.
did you manage that?
Got jiggling back the fork a little bit.
Heck is this?
That's just the insulation around it's worn.
Yeah, I'm wondering if because it goes from them too.
Yeah. So
Okay.
anyway, so let's put our meter on ohms. We touch those 2 leads down
In here?
Yeah. No, on the down here
Okay.
on the probe itself.
If I
On
can
the-
see him. Oh, now maybe I can see him. Yeah.
And it's should
I
show.
got something there, but
Oh,
I'm not getting.
I think you're touching the contacts together
Well,
because
I
it
know
said
that.
0.2.
But I can't see.
I can see just fine in the camera.
Well, yeah, I'm glad you can, but I can't see.
Here, why don't you hold the camera and I'll see if I can get the leads on there.
I don't know why it should be there. You try it then. See, now I won't be shadowing you.
Okay, shine it on
12-1.
Put the camera
you
on
do
the
that?
reading.
Oh, you want me to put it on this now?
Yeah,
Well, you didn't tell me that.
12.1.
I thought I
Okay.
was on those things.
Nope, you aren't. Now I'm going to
See how
test.
you are.
I'm going to test number 2. Okay.
12.1.
Okay. So 12.1, 12.1. That's not really good.
Should we get a pair of pliers to kind of squeeze them in there? Or do you get that one?
Yeah. Oh, this one, because this is in a way you can't really squeeze it too well.
Yeah.
So let's test this back one.
Can't you get there? You're not there yet.
I know. I'm still trying to get the
12.1.
12.1. Okay.
We put new plugs in it.
Yeah.
New wires. Excuse me. Oh, what fun, huh? You're exerting yourself a little much, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get a pair of pliers or something. Be a whole lot easier, won't it? $12.1.
Okay. they're all the same.
Wonder
So.
if it could be the wires themselves.
Oh, yeah. Because that's 1 and 3 and 3 and 5. That's with all of them that's on that
Yeah,
side.
they're all on this side. It's kind of weird.
It was flagging,
It was flagging 3 and 5 on
and
both
it could be a connection wasn't good too as we pulled them off and put them back on.
That's not all the way in. Don't look like.
It's in.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So while we're
gonna check those, the last two.
There's 4. What is it?
12.1.
12.1. So, I don't think it's the fuel injectors.
Go ahead and
I got
put
one
in
more
that.
to go. I'm not going to test 5 of the 6. I'm going to test all 6 of them. What is it?
12.1.
Okay, they're all the same. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be, but
Well, I imagine it would be because
all of
they're
them
all
are
the
good.
same. Yeah.
So, misfire on 1 and 3,
And 5 once in a while.
and well, this
Not
just read
consistent.
1 and 3.
That's the thing, it's not consistent.
So that would kind of indicate that there's probably some loose connection or oxidized connection.
They all look the same to me when I see them inside. Go ahead and change that
Yeah, well, we'll change the coil.
coil.
Yeah, that's well, they're all the fuel injectors are reading the same. So either all bad or they're all good. And I'm thinking they're probably all good because they're all reading 12.1 volts.
Right.
So that would not really indicate that there's a problem. I'd expected 2 of them to be on this side being off.
Yeah.
But because the problem was only on this side,
That's weird.
let's see what is going here. Something comes out of that harness there. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Alright, we erased all the codes. After we did some work on here, I wanted to erase the codes. You can see I just did a scan to read the codes, and no codes were found. And so now we're all set. And now we can go ahead and power this off, and then we can go for a little test drive or something and see how it runs. Okay, took it for a little spin, and I'm getting this one here, catalyst monitor and oxygen sensor. I'm getting an error on those. Let's see what's going on. Let's go into this mode. I'm going to drive cycle monitor, see what that's doing. And then that's where we get, and we just cleared them before I went on a little bit of a test drive. It's running a little rough. So oxygen sensor and catalyst monitor. So I'm not sure exactly those are, but that may be something else is wrong. So we'll be looking at that as well.